Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Getting your first order on FIVERR in 2026 is totally achievable if you follow these steps. Step 1. Choose a skill that people actually want to buy. Think about what you're good at, whether it's writing, design, video editing, or social media management. The key is picking something in demand and something you can deliver consistently. Step 2. Create a professional profile that stands out immediately. Use a clear profile picture, write a compelling bio that explains who you are and what you offer, and include relevant keywords so clients find you easily. Make sure your profile looks polished and trustworthy. Step 3. Set up your first gig with an attention-grabbing title and description. Your gig title should clearly state what you're offering, and your description needs to answer common client questions. Be specific about deliverables and turnaround time. Step 4. Price competitively without undervaluing yourself. Research what other sellers in your niche are charging, especially those with similar experience levels. Offering a reasonable introductory price can help you land that crucial first order. Step 5. Actively promote your gigs on social media and relevant communities. Share your FIVERR link on Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Reddit communities where your target clients hang out. Engagement and visibility dramatically increase your chances of landing orders quickly.